Okay, welcome. I'm trying to get my curls out the way. I have the opportunity to record another video. Here, let me play this one song. I found a really good song that I like. It's called Music by Cornelius. I think it's an Asian group. The video is kind of interesting, so I will take a look at it. And so they are playing in the background. Other than that, so I got a chance to re-record an unboxing video. This time a real unboxing video. The first time I unboxed it, then reboxed it because I forgot that I was going to record an unboxing video. And the best news of all is that I returned my Echo Dot and my Echo Dot, the one with the screen. I returned that, both of them. But the same day, I set to return them. One of my colleagues, one of my neighbors here at the WeWork space, won an Echo Dot in the contest. So I just asked him about it, and he was going to sell it, but I told him they're only about $40 or $39.99 to be exact, and he didn't see it was worth it. So I'm looking at this video. I still don't know how to get my camera in focus. So I'm going to my handy dandy screen wiper. Boom. Right? So it's good now, but then when I go back, it's not good. So then I end up fumbling around for a little while, trying to get this together. But stay with me. I hope you can hear the music. So I'm really just trying to show you what's going on. And I guess I could have done one of those comeback screens, but I don't actually have editing equipment. I just have a program that lets me put a video in the corner and a video at the bottom. I wish that advertising links. Oh, you know what? I can remove my advertising logo off of here. There we go. Okay, so that looks better. And I'm still trying to fumble around with this Echo Dot. If you didn't notice, this color is black. My other one was white. So I'm wiping, trying to get that right. Alright, welcome everybody. I had the opportunity to make another reboxing video. Yay! So the other Echo Dot I sent back to Amazon. There was nothing wrong with it, but I wanted to return it. And what a blessing it was that I did return it, because my neighbor here at WeWork won an Echo Dot in the contest. So I ended up with the Echo Dot. This one happens to be black instead though. I'm going to restart my music. Found a really cool, fun group you all should listen to. If I remember, I'll put the name of the band in the description. So look, it focused. So now you can see it much, much clearer. See how nice the box is, how cool the letters are. So there's the Echo Dot. Yay! I no longer have the Echo Dot with the frame or with the video. I just want to figure out how I can use Alexa Dot for work. Uh-oh. Here she goes.
What would you like to play next?
I knew it. I knew it. No, thank you, Alexa. Okay, see, she's pretty good. She's a good girl. I do wish you could change the name versus saying Alexa. But no, not you. I don't need you. Marital troubles. So the Echo Dot is out of the picture, or out of the box, I mean, and out of the framing. I went to go grab something. I'm not sure where my fingers went. I don't know what I was doing there. Maybe throwing something away, maybe possibly. Amazon logo. Is that an arrow underneath there? Or a banana? Could be a banana. Or maybe it's a double entendre. Double entendre. Oh, I wish you guys could hear this music. I can't hear it. Man. Okay, I'm trying to show you the logo brand. Oh, you know, I found out that they do have Echo Dot skins, so you don't have to have that Amazon branding smacking you in the face. They had one with cats. There was a skin with cats. You know, people love that. Cats. Me personally, I'm so allergic to most animals. Cats. But I love that people love them.
One more time.
More power
that
to
song
you.
is beautiful.
Okay, so that cloth matches the box, but it didn't come with the box. Okay. Now I'm plugging in I forgot I was jamming so much I forgot if y'all were here. I'm plugging in the Amazon Echo Dot. So now everything is black on black on black. The last quote was black too. And now it's on. Now I thought I would be a lot faster in getting this set up just because I had done it before. But I still had some difficulty, as you'll see. And I'm throwing the box away, because this one's mine now. Yay. Did I put a little paper?
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Well, the trash is right here. Oh, yeah, actually I threw them away. Amazon Echo Dot things to try. So, got it. Alarms and timers are mentioned. Shows, podcasts, and radio. You could do play ESPN radio, play the program Radio Lab, which I may listen to if those have podcasts. I love a good podcast. Play my flash breathe. What's the weather? How is my commute looking? Wikipedia Abraham Lincoln. Tell me a joke. Control supported smart homes devices like Philips Hue lights with Echo Dot. To get started, go to Alexa app. Oop, no, Alexa. No. Alexa, dim Hue lights to 30%. Turn on the fan. Use these anytime. Pair my Bluetooth. Alexa, pair my Bluetooth.
Searching. I don't see anything to connect. Check the device you'd like to use and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. To set up a new device, go to your Alexa app.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to my Alexa app and set up Bluetooth. So that is setting up on the screen. We're actually setting up the Wi-Fi so that it could connect.
You've
You see
connected
the
to Echo
orange
Dot.
circle
Go
of
ahead and
welcome.
finish the setup in your Alexa app.
I am also deregistering my other device, and all you have to do to set up the Bluetooth is go to settings in the app, hit select that device, hit Bluetooth, and then pair a new device. Make sure your phone is in pairing mode. I'm going to turn mine off and then turn mine on. Please make sure your device is in pairing mode. I'm going to go to the settings, go to Bluetooth is on, and then I'm going to select my...
Connected to Ibahi. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my phone.
Okay, next time I'll say, connect my phone. Yeah. That's dope. Okay. What else can we do with this Amazon as I read this? On screen, I am still trying to set up the Wi-Fi. So again, you see the struggle was real. Talking to Alexa Dot. To get Echo Dot's attention, simply say, Alexa, see the things to try
Sorry,
card.
I don't know that.
Connect to speaker. Okay, she could connect to speakers as well. I don't need this. Last time there was like a better things to try. I remember that. There were people on there. Yeah. I know the app I'm going to have built for the Echo Dot, I think is going to be very, very useful. So we're going to give it a try. So it's like 3:17 in the morning, but I mean, I'm not really worried about that. I'm just waiting on making sure I hide the password that I'm trying to input and get this dot set up. And without further ado, you know, I know you noticed my nails. Sorry for that pause there. I know you noticed my nails aren't doing too well. It's prom season, so it's going to be hard to get my nails done today. Probably wait till Monday morning. I'm trying to give you just like a little back, what do they call that? Behind the scenes look. Because we were waiting for so long. I'm telling you, it was really a bear to try to get this together. And I thought I was setting up the Bluetooth there, and it wasn't working. It wasn't working at all. Now, finally, welcome.
Alexa, give me a March Madness update.
Welcome to March
Now I'm
Madness,
31
currently in the first day of the Elite Eight. I can give you scores, schedules,
Okay,
or
so
live radio.
Alexa
Which
is
will it
up
be?
and running. No, thank you.
Sorry,
Scores.
I don't know that one.
She
What
needs a
team or game would you
nickname.
like the score for? Or say today's scores.
Today's
Allie.
scores.
Okay.
That's
Or
it for today.
Alex.
I can give you scores,
Alex. Okay.
schedules, or live radio.
Alex
Which will it be?
For
is now
yesterday.
set up. And that
Sorry, I
is
didn't get that.
the
I
video.
can give you
Now, I
scores,
know this was
schedules, or live radio.
a
What would you
do-over
like?
for me.
Give me scores
Did you like
for
this one
the
better or the last one
games
better?
yesterday.
Let me know, please.
What team or game would you
And
like the score for?
All
do
of
that
them.
by
Or
leaving a
say
comment
today's scores.
below. You can also
Yesterday's
like or
scores.
subscribe.
That's it for today. I can give you
Let me
scores,
know what you would want
schedules, or
to see
live
built
radio.
in an
Which will it
Alexa
be?
app, Alex app, an Alex
None.
app. Okay, Alex app.
Sorry, I didn't
She
get
didn't
that.
go off.
I can give you
An
scores.
Alex app. And okay, so yeah, that's the end of my video. Ciao Bella. And if you haven't fought an alligator today, you're really not living life.